Doraemon, el gato cósmico.
Ojalá mis sueños se hicieran realidad, porque tengo un montón. Doraemon puede hacer que se cumplan todos, con su bolsillo mágico mis sueños se harán realidad. Quisiera poder volar por el cielo azul.
Esto es el borracóptero.
Tú siempre ganas, Doraemon. Tú siempre ganas, Doraemon.
La bonita Michan.
Hey, Doraemon, what are you doing? I'm fixing the time machine. Is it finished? Why, Nobita, are you doing some major thing? No, we have an assignment about the tourism of the Philippines. Oh well, the time is about to finish. Wait. Here, Nobita, the time machine is finished. Okay, let's go. Okay.
Ah, my head hurts. Hey Doraemon, where are we? I think we are in the Philippines years ago. But where's the tourism? Chances are some the Filipino travel in search of food. Oh, look, there's people. Oh. What are they doing? They kill animals for their food. Ah, but why they are naked? Because people don't use clothes in that here, idiot. Ah, okay, I get it. Hey Nobita, let's go together. I'm so bored in here. Me too. Come on, let's go. Hey, Doraemon, where are we? Nobita, we are in the Spanish era. Look, there's a boat. Oh, that's a galleon. What's a galleon? Galleon is a wooden boat used by Ferdinand Magellan. Oh, I remember. We study about him. Hey look, there's some ladies there. What are they doing? I don't know. Let's see to find out. Hey, come on. Ladies?
Hola!
See. What are you doing?
We're selling our vintage things.
Can I see?
No, it's expensive.
Is it unfair to trade?
No, it's not, because the value of these things are equal.
Oh. Hey Nobita, let's go to the other place. Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Hola!
Wait there. Thank you. Where are we? Nobita, here we in 1920.
Oh, I see. It's our final destination.
Okay, I have to go. I'll search for some info about the tourism this year.
Okay, but come back later. Okay?
Okay.
Excuse me, sir. Can I ask a question?
Sure, what's your question?
How's the tourists go in this place, sir?
Oh, Americans come here by the Pan American Air Clippers. Then there were two airline pioneers like China Clipper and Manila Clipper.
Oh, I see. But how about that car, sir?
Oh, that car? That's called Colorum.
Colorum? What's that?
That car is privately owned by some tourists and it's used by tour, but it's illegal.
Ah, okay, I get it. Excuse me, sir, I have to go.
Oh, thank you for your friend.
Thank you. Oh, Doraemon, there are you. Come on, let's go home.
Okay, I'm hungry. Let's eat some Hopi mango.
Okay, go to the time machine.
Hey, Nobita, have you learned a lot?
Yes, I've learned a lot. Doraemon, thanks to you.
Okay.